Hey baritones, thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to be working out of our accent book, number 1, on page number 12. This page deals with eighth notes. At the top of the page, in the blue box, it says that eighth notes receive half of a beat in 2/4 and 4/4 time. Normally, we see eighth notes in a pair of 2 or in a group of 4. When we count our eighth notes, we count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. In the purple box, next is the tempo marking andante. That's a moderately slow tempo. So a vocab word for you to remember is andante, a moderately slow tempo. Finally, a variation is something when we're changing the rhythm or notes of a theme to create some variety. So let's get started with our first exercise today, Eighth Note Express. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's play. And 1, 2, ready, begin. Make sure to hold your notes for their full value and take a breath during that rest so that you have enough air in your lungs to make sure you get through the next 2 measures or the last 2 measures of the exercise. Great. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, and ready, begin. Our next exercise is Rhythm Riddle. It wants us to clap this first, then play. We're in 2/4 time. 1, 2, ready, clap. 1, 2, and 1, 2. 1 and 2, 1, 2. Rest. 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Remember that when we tie 2 quarter notes together, that's 2 beats, just like a half note. Let's try playing it. Be sure to use your second finger A natural. When you get to the second measure, it's an A natural. Second finger. 1, 2, ready, play. Great. Next up is Bile Them Cabbage Down. This is an American fiddle tune. It's in 2/4, 2 beats per measure, and there's a repeat sign at the end, so we'll play through it twice. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Remember, you can pause, practice, rewind, and try it again if you need more practice on this. Just rewind the video and give it a try one more time. Next up is the Surprise Symphony by Franz Joseph Haydn. This is a theme and a variation. In in line number 2 and line number 3 is where the variations take place. Remember, that's changing the notes or rhythms of a theme to create variety. Let's play through the Surprise Symphony, all 3 lines. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, go. you do? How did you do on your eighth notes? Remember to retry any of the measures or sections that you've made mistakes. Practice makes perfect. Accent on creativity is next. It's a variation on lightly row. It says create your own variation by changing some of the quarter notes into pairs of eighth notes. They've done an example of that in the first measure of number 36. You see the grayed out eighth note? Well, they took a quarter note and they turned it into a pair of eighth notes. Let's play this one time through, and then you can add your eighth notes for your variation. 1, 2, ready, play. Now, use a pencil and create your own variation, and then give it some playing time. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.